Hello kids, today we are going to bake hot cross buns, a very British Easter recipe. We need lemon zest, salt, sugar, no dairy milk, flour, yeast, cinnamon, vegan butter, cranberries or raisins, pumpkin spice. We mix together flour, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, lemon zest, sugar, salt, yeast. That's the result. We put on the fire milk and butter, and after a while, it's liquid and we can add dry ingredients. Mixing, that's the dough. It's very sticky. Now cover it and wait. We have to wait 2 hours. Oh wow, so puffy! Add to the dough the cranberries. Divide your dough in little balls, put them in a baking tin and cover them. Let's wait 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, we prepare flour, water, icing sugar and maple syrup. Mix together flour, sugar and water, and when it's ready, draw crosses on your buns. Good, now they're ready to go into the oven. We wait 20 minutes and our buns are into the oven at 180 degrees. After 20 minutes, they're ready and we can glaze them with the maple syrup. Now wait until they're cold if you can. And they're so good. Bye bye, see you next time.